Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to download Valorant on laptop or PC. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, just open your browser and search here Valorant like this, and you will find the website by the name of playvalorant.com. So we have to click on that website, and then you will get to see that the play for free option is now appearing here. So you can click on either play now or play for free. So let me click on the play for free, and here we have two options. If you don't have Riot account, you can just create one, and if you have already, you can just sign in. So I don't have account, so I'm gonna make it. So once you sign in or create your account, you will get to see this window where you can see my account option is now appearing here because we have signed in to this page. And now you will get to see the option for download, and we just need to click on the download button, and then you will see the download is now started. So once your download is done, just go to your file explorer, and here we have to find the downloaded file. So I have downloaded the file in the download section. So I just have to double click on this file, then you will see this pop-up. So this is from Riot Games, and here we have to install the Riot Games launcher because only then we can install the Valorant. So now it will take some time according to your internet speed. Once your download is done, you will get the pop-up from Windows Security where we have to click on allow access. Then here now we need to sign in, so we have to use that username or password. We have to accept their terms and conditions, and now you will get the option for install. Now we have to type here a game name and a tagline. You can just choose according to you and hit on create. Now we again have to click on install, and this time we have to give them a path. So you can choose the path according to you, but I'm going to leave it on default. So just now hit on install, and once you click on install, you will see the downloading is now started, and now it will take some time according to your internet speed. And once your download is done, you will get the option for play, and from then you can easily play the Valorant. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can download Valorant in your PC or laptop. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.